Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by signing in, that's the fastest route. Open Snapchat or Accounts. Snapchat. Calm and enter your email or phone and password. If you use two-factor, have your phone ready to receive the code. Once signed in, make sure you've exported any memories or screenshots you want to keep, because account-level actions can remove data. Next, locate Settings in-app or the My Account section on the website to access subscription or account deletion controls. Once inside Settings, scroll to where Account Controls and Subscriptions live. If you're removing a paid subscription or connected service, choose Manage or the specific subscription entry. For push notification opt-outs, flip the toggles under Notifications. If your goal is full unsubscribe, choose Delete Account or Disable, then follow the on-screen confirmation steps. Snapchat often places accounts in a 30-day deactivation period. Make sure to read the prompt so you understand what's removed and retained. Finish by confirming the choice. Press Confirm or Delete and enter your password when prompted. You'll often see a 30-day grace period before permanent deletion. Note that to prevent reactivation, don't sign back in during that window. If the action fails, make sure you're fully logged in and that the app is updated, clear the app cache, or use a browser. If problems persist, contact Snapchat support via the app's help section for account-specific recovery steps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.